The visitor noticed a lantern resting on the library table. Its glass was dusty, its flame barely there. Most lanterns in Sage Hallow's library burned steadily, but not this one. The visitor leaned closer. The light wavered, then shrank again. Sunlight filtered through the high branches overhead, but the lantern seemed untouched by it. Almost as if it no longer believed it had the right to shine. The visitor gently placed a hand near it, not touching, just close. The flame flickered, but still didn't rise. Sage appeared beside them, his wings soft against the old wooden floor. "You found the lantern," he said quietly. The visitor looked up. "What's wrong with it?" Sage tilted his head. "Nothing is wrong with it," he said gently. "It's simply been dim for a long time." The visitor watched the weak glow. "I don't understand. Why would it stay like that?" Sage's tone lowered. "Because, somewhere along the way, it was made to believe its light wasn't welcome." A soft stillness settled in the room. The lantern's faint glow carried a weight the visitor recognized. "So, it pulled back," Sage continued. "It stayed small because small felt safer than being seen." The visitor looked down at the lantern again. The tiny flame wavered, unsure of itself. "That must have been hard for it," the visitor whispered. Sage nodded. "But dim light doesn't mean lost light." He motioned for the visitor to lift it. They picked it up carefully. The lantern felt lighter than expected, almost fragile. As their hands steadied, the flame pulsed once. Then again, a little stronger. Sage watched quietly. "It's waiting for someone to believe it can brighten again." The visitor held the lantern close. Slow breaths, quiet moment. The flame rose, soft and steady, not bright yet, but trying. "Sometimes," Sage said, "light returns one small step at a time." The visitor nodded. "I think I understand." They placed the lantern back on the table. Its glow held steady, a little stronger than before. Sage offered a gentle smile. "Light doesn't disappear," he said. "It comes back when it finally feels safe again." The visitor stayed beside the lantern, watching the glow slowly strengthen. Not perfect, not bright, just quietly growing. A reminder that healing begins softly and gathers courage over time. And if you need a quiet place to sit with that, you're always welcome to rest here for a while.